Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the door lock assembly on your LG washer. These instructions also apply to some Kenmore models that were manufactured by LG. These Kenmore models have 796 as the first three digits of their model number. The door lock assembly is responsible for locking the door while the washer is in use. If the door lock assembly is broken or damaged, the door may not lock into position or may not lock at all. This can cause the washer to not open or not to run. If you need to purchase a new door lock assembly for your LG washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. For this repair, you'll need to disconnect power and water to the washer. When working inside the washer, be careful as it has sharp edges. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove these two screws on the back of the washer. Then slide the top panel back about ½ an inch and lift it up to remove it. If you are having problems removing the top panel, try sliding it forward slightly to lift it up. The door lock assembly is located here. Then depress the locking tab and pull down on it to remove it from the door lock. Next, open the washer's door. Then, while supporting the assembly from inside of the washer, remove the two Phillips head screws. Then, remove the door lock from the washer. If you need to purchase a new door lock assembly, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the door lock to the front of the washer with the electrical connector facing down. Then, while supporting it, install the two screws. Then, close the washer's door. Then, on the inside of the washer, reconnect the electrical connector to the door lock. To reinstall the top panel, align it to the washer so that the rear brackets are towards the back of the washer. Then, align the tabs on the top of the washer to the slots on the bottom of the panel and set it into place. Slide it forward to secure it in place. Next, reinstall the two screws to secure the top panel. Now that you have that locked down, that's it for today's video. And if you enjoyed it, please leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.